Hello everyone and welcome to the brand new episode of Map and Web Talks. In this episode, we are talking to Devesh Raj. Devesh works at Google as map analyst and this podcast is being hosted by Bilwa. Bilwa has asked some really good questions regarding his personal finance, regarding life at Google and also about his startup that he runs on the side. If you want to get insights of all of this, that what it is to work in Google, how to run a startup on the side even if you are having a job, and a lot of other cool stuff hidden in this podcast, then do watch it till the end. And if you like what we are doing, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Also, if you want us to bring in some guests that you particularly want, do let us know in the comments or reach out to us directly on LinkedIn or Instagram, and we will definitely bring them for you on this podcast. Thank you. Keep watching.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pep and Prep Talks. So now Devish is here, and hi Devish, it's really nice to have you here. And I'm hoping this conversation is going to be amazing, and people are going to get lots of insights from it. So over to you now.
Well, thank you so much for having me. Well, thank you, Bilwa, for having me here in your podcast session, or we can say the video session. I'm very happy to be here on your show, which is the Prep and Prep Talk.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's start with a brief introduction about yourself so that our viewers and listeners will know that what do you do and what exactly insights can you share to everyone else. Yeah.
okay. Well, as per my introduction, I'm Devesh Raj. I basically belong to Lucknow, and I am currently working in Google as SD as a map analyst with the Google Maps team. I'm totally working with Google Maps team. As we know, Google Maps is a big part of Google Ventures. So yeah, and according to my education, most of people just want to know they don't want to know which college is better than is paid for their career or not. So
Yeah.
yeah, let's talk about my background. I have completed my grad and my postgraduate from distance education, and I have completed my BCA MCA from IGNOU. So I'm not passed from a tier one college or tier two college, but I just completed my graduation and post graduation from distance education. I learned a lots of things from the distance education because I have lots of things to do, and I'm very passionate to learn new things around me, and I want to explore and I get to know how these things are working and how can I contribute to it.
Yeah.
So I always focus on my working, just like some my working skills, and I just want to work on my skills regularly. And I love to communicate with random people, some strange people. So I can understand the different perspective and different types of mind
Yeah.
because they have lots of thoughts, they have lots of ideas who can share, and you can learn from them. So yeah, I just really want to communicate with others, and it's a one-to-one conversation. Even now we are stuck on some work from home things, so just we are doing a webinars and live meetings and video conferencing. So yeah, these things will definitely also work for me because we can connect so many people from here to there, and these things and actually lots of people I connected lots of people, and I have lots of thoughts from them because they taught me so many things. So yeah, so it is a complete thing for me.
Nice. That's amazing. So I have a lot of questions now. First of all, you work in Google, right? And I'm pretty sure transitioning from college life to a working like company, basically. So how it has been like for you, and what changes you had to make, like from going from college to a proper company like Google, especially.
Well, in the beginning, I told how I told you that how I get into this industry. So I can easily say that if you can work on your skills, and then no one can beat you, because while you're working on your skills, then you realize which kind of mistake you are doing in your work, and you can improvise with your working, and you can change your working method so you can rectify those errors. So I did the same thing while I studied. I started as freelance work to know how corporate and the real market is currently working. And I started my career as a Java developer in the freelance industry. Then I realized we are studying and what market is needed, because when we are studying there are only one thing that you have to build this project, and I think this project is not so useful for real market, because the market work is so different from our education system,
Right.
because we study some basic concept, but actually companies MNCs, they don't need those things. They need some your basic concept.
Yeah.
They know the core topics. But when you are working on some other project, there are lots of so many different kinds of scenarios, and there are so many real life problems, because while we are studying, then we can't imagine some real life problems. We just working on some bookish languages and bookish things, and we solve them and nothing else.
Right.
So these things will evolve my evolve my things. So these things helped me a lot while in my interview. I really want to say to everyone who is listening this podcast or the video session, if
Yeah.
you are preparing for an interview for MNCs, you have to focus on your core topics like data structure and algorithm, because most of the interviews are totally based on the DSA. One
Right.
more thing, always work on your primary language, whether it could be your C++, Java, Python. And I started my career as a Java developer, and now I'm working on Kotlin. So this is my complete transition from college to an MNC.
Right. And I'm pretty sure like everyone is saying Google is an amazing company and everyone wishes to work there basically. So, what do you think are the quality experiences which you experience in Google and you think that people outside Google might not be able to experience them? Like, what is special about it?
Actually, well, everyone dream that Google is a passionate and a dream company for everyone, because
Yeah,
because every software developer want to join that company.
definitely.
Actually, Google give you such an warm environment and such a happening environment while you're working, because when we are working in the company, then we can't see that there are lots of course, because when you're joining in the beginning, there are lots of new things that you have to learn from the company things and from the market things. Then after 6 months and 8 months, then you can realize that company totally works on you, and they push you, they promote you to build your personal skills and build your skills on the product basis. Because I just started my career. I'm just a joiner Java developer, and then company, even Google, is also turns to the Java to Kotlin. They moved the whole thing to the Kotlin. So I just learned Kotlin in the beginning, and they taught me so much things, and they taught me some different kinds of API, because while I'm on the college, there's no teacher and even no professor who can told us how APIs are works and how map changes work. But while I'm freelancing, then I just realized there are lots of APIs we have to work on.
Yeah.
So these things will help me. Even companies give you such a great environment, because there's a happening environment that even if we talk about the some working schedule, then here there are lots of things that you can play. Then you can uh, join the gym, cafeteria, and these things some fascinate. Even if you remember, there's a movie, The Interns.
Right.
uh, yeah, so that movie shows complete a Google campus and complete environment of Google, and you can watch. If you watch, then you can realize how Google is working, how Google teach you uh, the market things.
Right.
So these things exactly fascinate, and so many young people want to join and just want to tag a Googler. Then you turn to a Googler.
Yeah. Nice. So, brief, can you tell us what is your role like? Like a bit about the technology part, because
Yeah.
even I heard it for the first time, because even like we basically don't really know all the roles that goes around in the company. So this was one of those roles which I would like to know about more.
Actually my role is a map analyst in a Google Maps team.
Yeah.
Actually, Google Maps team is a vast team because as we know that the Google have lots of products,
Yeah.
just like Google Cloud Platform, Maps, so Pixels, and so many products. So actually, I'm a part of a Maps team. So my role is basically the map analyst, and I'm also working as a software developer engineer with the Maps. So there are lots of things. Actually, when we know how Maps is working,
Hmm.
we know we regularly use our maps
Yeah.
to navigate something, to find some location, to find some stores or business things. So while I joined in 2017, the map doesn't evolve so much,
Hmm.
and the maps is a normal thing. But now the maps is turned into a local search engine.
True.
Even you can search everything about the local thing. You can search marketplace, you can search restaurants, you can search routes, navigations, and even you can check your real time traffic,
Mm-hmm.
so you can leave or not. So
Yeah.
these things evolve in 2017, and I all totally worked with them, and I just learned there are lots of some different kinds of scenarios, and I just starting work on Google Cloud Platform.
Hmm.
As we know, just Uber, Ola, Zomato, Swiggy, they're actually our client, and they use some things of maps because when we order something and
Hmm.
then we have to track them
Yeah.
कि हमारा डिलीवरी पार्टनर अभी पहुंचा है या नहीं पहुंचा है कहाँ
Yeah.
पर है. So these things will work on the map thing. So and we track the data.
Hmm.
In the beginning, actually, there are lots of new shops and new businesses in India. Then no one can join Google Maps because they don't want online identity. But
Yeah.
now online identity is must for everyone because if you want to do your business, then you have to on online because
Hmm.
internet give you push and internet provides so different kinds of customers. So these things, these technologies and these working fundamentals, I'm working on.
Hmm. That's amazing and that's really cool to be honest. So how does your daily routine look like and how did it change for you seeing that due to this COVID situation it's now work from home?
Uh, same. I told that that office work is now when we stuck on work from home, then we can realize that office thing is well so good, and now we are working from home. That we stuck on the same table, and it is very difficult to in the beginning
Hmm.
because when we work from home and we can't deny even we can't resist to our parents. They enter your room and while you are in a meeting जस्ट से खाना खा लो टाइम हो गया ये हो गया ठीक है तो ये चीज़ों में थोड़ा सा स्टार्टिंग में वो रहा बट एक्चुअली अभी पेरेंट्स भी यूज टू हो चुके हैं कि हाँ ऐसा काम करना है जब जो भी
Hmm.
चीज़ होता है कि एक टाइम फिक्स है एंड ये चीज़ें सब तो दोनों में काफ़ी चेंजेस आ चुके हैं कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम एंड ऑफिस का एक पर्टिकुलर हमारा टाइम हुआ करता था
Hmm.
कि एक हम एक टाइम पे लॉग इन करना है लॉग इन करने के जस्ट बाद जब वर्क फिनिश करते हैं एंड देन we can exit our office and then some roaming around the office. So these things, but work from home is totally hectic because हम अपना काम खत्म करते हैं एंड उसके जस्ट बाद भी क्या होता है कॉल आ जाता है कि ये जस्ट फिनिश दैट थिंग और जस्ट अ पोस्ट मीटिंग so you can join for the next module thing or some next
Yeah.
project thing. So these things actually some being hectic, but actually when we can see the COVID situation, I think work from home is a great thing when we are working there
Hmm.
because we are living with our family.
Yeah.
So that will be perfect because when we live far from home,
Hmm.
so those thing and इन चीज़ों में काफ़ी मतलब सिमिलैरिटीज नहीं है बट एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा फील होता है कि अभी घर पे हैं बट अभी जैसे ही अगर लगता है कि ऑफिस ओपन होता है देन फिर होम सिकनेस वाली फीलिंग आनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी इन
Yeah.
द बिगिनिंग एंड फिर
True.
से क्राइटेरिया चेंज होना है तो ये चीज़ें हैं एंड बेसिकली डेली रूटीन बेसिक ये होता है कि मॉर्निंग का टाइम है देन उसके बाद ऑफिस का काम खत्म किया एंड देन रियलाइज करते हैं कि अभी प्रोडक्टिविटी क्या है क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम अपने टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम कर रहे हैं जो कि प्रोडक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं तो नॉर्मली हमें वहाँ पर काफ़ी कुछ लर्न करना पड़ता है इवन सीखना भी पड़ता है बेसिकली लर्निंग इज कंटिन्यूअसली गोइंग ऑन
Hmm.
with you. So these things are going with us. So सेम एक्चुअली यही रहता है कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम एंड ऑफिस सिचुएशन में यही चेंजेस आए हैं.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. So, and this question we try to ask to like all the guests, like after college you start earning your own money. So how did you learn managing your own money, like personal finance related? Like what kind of rule do you follow, and how do you basically look after that you're saving it for your future and everything like that?
Actually, I don't. In the beginning, I don't believe just managing your money because when we are in college, I just studied from the distance education, so
Hmm.
there's nothing a college thing
Yeah.
because we go to the college for attending our 3 hour classes,
Mm-hmm.
and after the class we exit the college and just sit in the restaurant, and we are talking about some startups things, some companies things,
Yeah.
some business thing. So with my friends, we are just discussing whole thing, some nonsense stuff, yeah, at the restaurant, and we ate normal things. So in the beginning, we don't realize just how to manage our money.
Yeah.
But when we join a company, when we live apart from parents, then we can realize how money is matters and how money is important for us, and how we can save or we can manage them.
Yeah.
Then when we use our expenses by them ourselves, then we can realize there are traveling expense, there is a
Yeah.
food expense. Then we can say thought how much salary is remaining at the end.
Yeah.
Even when we talk about the month and there's nothing in the beginning, then we realize we have to focus, we have to focus on our managing money.
Yeah.
अदरवाइज फिर ये होता है कि हमें उधार मांगना पड़ेगा
Hmm.
एट द एंड ऑफ, भाई उधार दे दो, अभी खर्च हो गया सैलरी. After that, then realizing actually our friends also promote us, and they say us, please save your money,
Yeah.
and just for your saving, because your saving will work on your future, and will help you in future. So these things will help, and then I am just trying to invest my money into the market, and then I also invest my money in share market.
Hmm.
So I can actually in the last 3 months, you can say that after the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is so high,
Yeah.
everyone wants to buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin,
Hmm.
and Shiba coin, actually cryptocurrency. So these things will definitely promote to the younger
Hmm.
who just want to expand lots of money,
Hmm.
not comparison to invest. Actually, if you want to invest, but you are not save the money, but invest is the term of just you got the profit.
Hmm.
If you invest something 10 rupees and you got 30 rupees in 1 or 3 months,
Yeah.
then that will be more beneficiary in comparison to save your money into the bank.
Right.
Otherwise, if you have a money, then you can buy some land things,
Hmm.
some property.
Hmm.
So these things, these investment is good. But if you are investing in share market, but actually share market, अगर आपको शेयर मार्केट में यूज करना है, तो उसमें भी आपको वाइजली यूज करना पड़ेगा.
Hmm.
नॉर्मली ये नहीं है कि आपको अगर टिप नहीं पता, आइडिया नहीं पता है, देन आपका पैसा वहां पर डूब भी जाता है.
Yeah.
तो ये चीज़ें थी. इन द बिगिनिंग मुझे शेयर मार्केट का कोई आइडिया नहीं था, बट मेरे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह करते थे, तो
Hmm.
उनकी हेल्प से मुझे काफी कुछ सीखा. एंड अभी रिसेंट हम लोगों ने देखा ना कि जोमेटो का आईपीओ नहीं मिला किसी को. सबके साथ ये था कि जोमेटो का आईपीओ, मतलब सेम आईपीओ थिंग की आया, क्रिप्टो करेंसी आया. एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने काफी चीज देखते हुए ना कि हम लोगों ने शेयर मार्केट, स्टॉक मार्केट, क्रिप्टो करेंसी एंड आईपीओ थिंग.
Hmm.
तो ये चीजें को देखने को मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, एक्चुअली हमारे पेरेंट्स उस चीज में बिलीव नहीं करते थे.
Yeah.
स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. दे वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन लैंड, दे वांट टू बाय हाउस,
Yeah.
और they thought, even they still believe in fixed deposit. Actually, fixed deposit is not so good term in the present time,
Yeah.
because you just stuck your money, you just hold your money for the some time, and after that you withdraw your money. There the money is not valuable for the current time,
True.
as as we see the inflation is continuously growing,
Yeah.
and we are suffering to for the travel expenses, because traveling is so costly
True.
at the time, because the petrol, even the petrol, these are costlier than in the last 5 years or 6 years ago. So these things will totally promote you to just save your money. Even we can see that yeah, in the last second wave के टाइम पे हम लोगों ने देखा था कि क्या क्राइसिस रही थी
Hmm.
ऑक्सीजन को लेके, हॉस्पिटल एंड बेड को लेके.
Yeah.
वहां पर ब्लैक मार्केटिंग हुई है, एंड साथ ही साथ ये देखा है कि अगर आपको हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होना है, तो आपके पास इतना पैसा होना जरूरी है.
True.
सो वहां पर ये था कि अगर जिसके पास पैसा नहीं, आपने मनी सेव नहीं किया, तो वहां पर काफी क्राइसिस को हम लोगों ने देखा भी है। अभी ये चीज है कि हम लोग एक ये प्रिविलेज था कि हम उस कंडीशन में फंसे नहीं।
Hmm.
बट एक्चुअली जो फैमिलीज वहां पर फंसी हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा सा पता चलता है कि उनका कितना पैसा पानी की तरह बह गया। अगर
Right.
जिनके पास पैसा नहीं था, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने बिलव को खोया है उन लोगों ने। तो
Right.
ये सारी चीजों को देख के लगता है कि मनी को सेव करना इंपॉर्टेंट है, साथ ही में एक सही जगह पे इन्वेस्ट करना वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत मैटर करता है।
True. That's an amazing advice, and I hope everyone listens to it because hardly people realize the power of investment and they feel यार बाद में करते हैं या फिर पहले खर्च
हाँ
करके फिर जो बचता है उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट.
हाँ,
I
एग्जैक्टली।
don't think that really works. Like if you want to live a peaceful life, start now. So now coming to your startup and community part, I'm really excited about this. So Meal O Box, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah,
जीरो बॉक्स, या
yeah. What's it all about and what inspired you to start this one?
actually, Milo Box is my startup. Actually, it is started from the last 3 years ago.
Hmm.
Uh, Milobox is actually is the total is a company which provides you meal services
Okay.
at your own hand.
Hmm.
As we see that Zomato, Swiggy, even the food delivery partners are doing the same thing. But
Hmm.
actually, we are focusing on meal. Actually, restaurant foods and meal are totally different things.
Got it. Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, so we are focusing on our meal services, which mean our tiffin services. So
Nice.
we are building a complete search engine for tiffin services.
Hmm.
Even as an employee or as a student, they have lots of problem to search a tiffin services in nearby areas.
Yeah.
So I also faced the same problem while I joined Google,
Hmm.
and I'm just living in Gurgaon.
Hmm.
तो वहाँ पर बेसिकली मैंने चीज़ें ये नोटिस किया। अगर मैं इसको कोर प्रॉब्लम समझाऊं कि अगर एज अ एम्प्लॉय वी आर लिविंग फार फ्रॉम होम एंड वी आर लिविंग इन टू पीजी और फ्लैट,
Yeah.
सो देयर नो वन टू कुक यू।
Hmm. Yeah.
So you have to buy your food from a restaurant, or you have to search some tiffin services, or you have to go for the meal.
Yeah.
सो एंड इन चीज़ों में टाइम वेस्ट करने के साथ साथ मैंने रियलाइज किया, अगर ये प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट हो सके, क्योंकि टिफिन सर्विस सर्च करना एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी
Right.
किसी भी के लिए, किसी भी पर्सन के लिए, क्योंकि जो उस एरिया में नया है। अगर मैं बैंगलोर जाता हूँ, तो बैंगलोर के बारे में मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं होगा,
Hmm.
या फिर
Hmm.
मैं किसी अदर सिटी में जाता हूँ। सो
Right.
बेसिकली अगर तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म इसलिए बिल्ड किया गया है ताकि आपके पास जैसे जोमेटो से हमें खाना ऑर्डर करना होता है, सेम वो चीज़ करते हैं। सो मीलो बॉक्स के थ्रू भी यही होगा कि हम
Okay.
वहाँ पर टिफिन सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करेंगे, एंड इस टिफिन सर्विसेज में काफ़ी चीज़ों को मैंने कन्वीनियंटली चीज़ों को ऐड किया है, एंड एक कंप्लीट यूजर फ्रेंडली, इवन कस्टमर फ्रेंडली सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान बिल्ड किया है।
Okay.
And I also promote that thing to build that product which you want to buy.
True.
So I also want to buy this product because it is customer friendly and user friendly.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that's the whole sum for my startup.
Okay. That's wonderful. And you are doing it alone or you have a team?
Actually, right now I have two members more,
Okay.
which is one that doing the chief marketing officer
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and chief operation officer,
Okay.
and I'm just working as a CEO and CTO.
That's
So it is
nice.
some unofficial CEO and CTO because I
Yeah. Yeah.
can't announce. So
Yeah.
yeah,
I totally understand, but I really like the idea to be honest, since I'll be moving out soon, like when the COVID and everything settles down. Yeah, even I have to think about tiffin services or food basically because it's so hard to find good.
एक्चुअली या एग्जैक्टली नॉर्मली ये चीज़ों को प्रॉब्लम मैंने रियलाइज करना स्टार्ट किया था कि जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था, एंड
Hmm.
ज्वाइनिंग के बाद टिफिन सर्च करना, कि नॉर्मली एक प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि हम रेस्टोरेंट फूड को 30 डेज नहीं खा सकते,
Yeah.
एंड हमें उस टाइम पे कच्चा खाना जिसे बोलते हैं, एंड
Yes.
वो हमें घर का खाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी, and वो 30 डेज में, क्योंकि
Yeah.
नॉर्मली रेस्टोरेंट फूड हेल्दी नहीं होता है।
True.
तो ये प्रॉब्लम थी। अदरवाइज ये था कि अगर हम आते हैं खुद से अगर प्रिपेयर करते हैं,
Hmm. Hmm.
तो हमारा 2 से 3 घंटा जाता है। जो
Right.
टाइम जाएगा।
Hmm.
एंड अगर मील बॉक्स सर्विस से अगर आपको वो टाइम बचा तो उस टाइम पे आप कुछ प्रोडक्टिव कर सकते
Right. Definitely.
हो। अगर आप मेड भी हायर करते हो तो उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम ये था कि आपको वेजिटेबल्स मसाले वगैरह खुद से लाने
Good
पड़े।
Salan. Sorry. So I'm really looking forward. I hope you provide services in Chennai too so that I can use it.
Actually, it is a complete plan for the pan India, but
Yeah.
I'm just starting from Rajasthan.
Okay. That's nice. So, considering your full-time job, apart from that, you have a community as well, where people can learn. Can you elaborate on that a bit?
Actually, I'm a part of so many communities, just like a
Okay.
Google developer community,
Yeah.
developer student club, and I'm going to there as a keynote speaker from different kinds of technologies. So I just realized that learning is a very basic fundamental for everyone.
Hmm.
So that's why I just build a community for UP because UP is a part where no one talking about technologies and no one talking about some latest technologies because we are I'm just living in Lucknow.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
There's no one know about some Kotlin. They don't about the Flutter.
Okay.
They totally stuck currently stuck on PHP, .NET, and
Okay.
nothing else. So I just want that's why I built a community
Hmm.
for the people who can learn the latest technology,
Hmm.
and some of my colleagues and some of my friends who can share their insights
Hmm.
and just promote some new technology and work on them because most of the people go outside and join something. So if the community is in nearby them,
Hmm.
so they
Hmm.
can learn from them. So
Right.
that's why I just built this community. And the basic the part actually the more concept of the community is the by the people and the for the people
Hmm.
because learning is a phase and learning is a part of journey.
Yeah. Definitely. Beautiful. So, okay, so now you have a full-time job, you have a startup, and you have this where you actually give time to people, and then you're coming on
Yeah.
this podcast as well. So, how do you manage time? The biggest question of all.
Actually, actually, I schedule so much thing. In the last time, I'm talking on the space in the Twitter space. So they are talking about to manage time and how just do some productivity things while we are working on full time. So
Hmm.
actually, while we are working in full time, actually we are working Monday to Friday. But actually, the weekend, when we are here in the weekend,
Yeah.
we are restricted as a weekend lockdown, so we can't go around or roam around. So
Oh.
that's why I have a plan just to build something or to communicate with people.
Hmm.
So that's why I just schedule my whole things. Even I just took a break from Twitter, and
Okay.
even I scheduled my all tweets from 26th August
Wow.
till the 26th August. So that's why I'm not using the Twitter, but my tweets are continuously posting.
Okay. Nice.
So these things will be that will be helpful for everyone. That people don't think that I'm not there, but I am not there and I'm working for my own. So these things will be working for everyone. If you manage your time,
Hmm.
just schedule some things and just put your reminders
Hmm.
because reminders will trigger you to do that.
Right.
Just like a alarm thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
अलार्म सो बेसिकली जैसे हम अलार्म को बंद कर देते हैं ना कि ठीक है सुबह थोड़ी देर बाद उठते हैं, बट ये चीज होता है कि रिमाइंडर में ये रहता है कि अगर हम काम करने के टाइम पे कुछ चीजों को रिमाइंड किया हो कि
Hmm.
हमें ये कल करना है,
Hmm.
तो एटलीस्ट हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो चीज फिट होता है।
Hmm.
तो हम थोड़ा सा टाइम को मैनेज करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि
True.
हाँ
True.
अभी ये करते हैं। इवन इवन स्मॉलर पार्ट में अगर वो करते हैं, देन उसको अगर वो लगता है कि हमारे साथ चीजें ग्रो कर रही हैं
Hmm.
एंड उसको हम थोड़ा सा और प्रमोट करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं। सो दैट्स व्हाई दैट्स होल थिंग्स आई कैन डू।
Nice. Got it. So it's basically takes skills to do all of this and doing it the right way at the end. So any pointers for such a growth mindset? Because for what I'll tell you about me is that I started since like 2020 to focus more on like writing or let's say we started the podcast like last month, but the idea came because of I went through the placement process, right? Because I was not finding the right resources where I can find out about all job roles or how to prepare for it. So that's why this podcast came up. So, what actually motivated you to follow the growth mindset, and what motivates you on a daily basis? That's the important question because You can prepare, you can plan your goals and everything, but pursuing it continuously requires something else. So that's something else I want to know from you.
Mm, Normal. Actually, I also connected with you with your Medium blogs. I read your Medium blogs, then I will message you that you wrote so well.
Okay.
तो एक्चुअली बेसिक थिंग ये रहता है कि अगर कुछ पॉइंटर्स को शेयर करना है इफ यू वांट ग्रोथ इन योर करियर
Hmm.
so you have to focus on one thing just like if you, now we are doing lots of things in the
Yeah.
parallel time
Yeah.
but actually if you are doing in parallel time but you have to focus on that time at the
Hmm.
other same time
Hmm.
not if you are doing this thing and just move on other things at the
Okay.
same time
Okay.
just focus on the if you divided your time
Hmm.
just do it on the particular time area otherwise don't do that if you're I just tell that see, I'm just working full time on
Hmm.
office
Hmm.
time after that I just get my time after 8 to 12 and 8 to 1
Yeah.
then I just figure it out what I have to do or what I scheduled for that
Hmm. Hmm.
then I just do the thing in a smaller part just take the 10 minutes 20 minutes
Hmm.
then just I push out otherwise I leave that
Hmm. Hmm.
so these things will totally help you and I just give us some points to the listeners or who are giving this
Yeah.
so so they can do that you have to communicate or connect brilliant minds
True.
around you whether on LinkedIn or Twitter
Yeah.
even you can connect with on Instagram if you
Hmm.
and I just like some people have a photography craving
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
if you want to build your photography skills some canvas things sketching things so you can communicate ask them and get tips from them and
Hmm.
I think now the people are just engaging with their content and they try to help them
Yeah.
because most of the people just DM me and ask few things. They ask me how to build resume, how
Hmm.
to crack interview, or some interview tips. So
Yeah.
that's why I just they communicate me and I just replied them and I try to figure out how I can ease for them and
Hmm.
so these things will totally guide you even I just said if you are I just post a space in last time
Hmm. Hmm.
why mentorship is important
Okay.
so actually mentorship is more important thing because we have a teacher but we don't have mentors the main problem is about the mentor actually mentor don't teach you mentor just give you some experience things some give you some insights
Hmm. Hmm.
so, so mentoring is more important in our life right now.
Okay.
Uh, as we say that आजकल के टाइम में हम लोग जब कुछ भी करते हैं तो
Hmm.
हमें करने के लिए रिसोर्सेज बहुत सारा अवेलेबल
Hmm. Hmm.
है इन द ऑन यूट्यूब ऑन गूगल
Hmm.
बट कैसे करना है एंड उसके पीछे की लॉजिक एंड किस तरीके से करना है उसके लिए हमें मेंटर की जरूरत पड़ती है
True.
सो सो ये चीजें आती हैं एंड इवन आप अगर लर्न कर रहे हो बट अगर आपसे कोई सीखना चाहता है तो उसे कभी ना मत इवन इवन ये चीज क्या होता है कि आप किसी जूनियर से भी कुछ सीख सकते हो
Right.
मेरी टोटली फिलोसफी ये है कि मैं 5 साल के बच्चे से भी कुछ सीख सकता हूँ
Hmm.
एंड एक 80 साल की इंसान को मैं कुछ सिखा सकता हूँ सो
Right.
ये चीज अगर आप करते हो तो आप अपने आप को इवॉल्व करोगे एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन सी दैट यू सी द पोटेंशियल एंड यू कैन सी द ग्रोथ
Hmm.
बाय योरसेल्फ
True.
सो दैट्स माय ऑल थॉट्स
Yeah, so I don't have any more questions, but any final points you want to tell the audience, the listeners or viewers, like some two, three things that you feel like people should know this like really well.
actually I have my one own quote that please work on your skills
Hmm.
and polish your skills
Hmm.
because if you polish your skills and your skills definitely pays off. नॉर्मली हम क्या करते हैं जब भी हमें कोई चीज़ करना होता है हम चीज़ों को सीख लेते हैं एंड
Ah,
सीखने के बाद उन पे वर्क करना छोड़ देते हैं
right.
अगर जब तक हम उस स्किल पे अपना हाथ नहीं सेट करते हैं जिसे बोलते हैं हम लोग अगर कोडिंग टर्म्स में बोलते हैं कि व्हाई वी डू हैंड्स ऑन सेशन
Hmm.
because we have to do hands-on session because we are practicing.
Right.
Practicing is a core topic, is a core thing for the evaluation, because if we don't practice, then we can't find the errors. In the
Hmm.
beginning I just told, एक्चुअली जब भी अगर स्किल पे काम करना बंद कर दिया या फिर वो चीज़ों पे बंद कर दिया तो हमें वहाँ पर प्रोसेस में प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं।
Hmm.
एंड प्रोसेस के साथ साथ हम वहाँ पर फंसते हैं कि जो मेथड से हमें इस मेथड से नहीं करके दूसरे मेथड से करना चाहिए था,
हाँ.
देन वो चीज़ों में हम वहाँ पर आते हैं। तो दैट्स वाई प्लीज पॉलिश योर स्किल्स एंड वर्क ऑन योर स्किल्स। डोंट गो हियर एंड देयर फॉर द हाई थिंग्स, बिकॉज मार्केट इज फॉर अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन, but not everyone is doing all things.
True. Amazing. Yeah, so that's amazing, and I think that's all. So I'll just say thank you for giving your time first of all. And the best part was that I got to learn a lot from your experience, like whatever you said, and it really inspires me. And I'm hoping that all the people who will listen to this will also find it really insightful and fruitful basically. And I hope everyone just starts with a nice growth mindset. So thank you, Devesh. Thank you so much.
And thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bilwa.